Alright YouTube, so that's the new Class D 2.1 amplifier with the subwoofer, volume control and frequency control, and also the bass treble is there for the channel speakers. So that's an amazing amplifier. The blue light is blinking as the Bluetooth is not connected. I have connected the RCA to this PC and we're going to check the sound of this amplifier using the PC, and NCS is on right there. So let's play some songs and check the sound. Here also in the previous video I told you the sound is amazing using the Bluetooth, and when I connected the aux cable, here the sound is amazing, clear, very crystal clear, and well balanced sound. Now let's turn up the subwoofer.
Every night I'm haunted by the thought of you. If you need my love, call me and I'll stand for you. And we can talk all night long. If you want this love, then call me and I'll drive to you. And we can touch all night long. Just call me and I'll come through. Just call me and I'll come through.
Whisper your name, your
silence, baby, so do I. This could either be hell or a paradise. Talking to your friends, baby, so do I. About you, we both know it's so late. I forgot I lied to you. We both know it's so late. I forgot I lied to you. Hey, hey, hey. Who said we can't forget even if it don't last? Baby, when I get up in it, you forget the past. I'll make sure to cut all of the strings that get attached. And you make sure to call me every time you want me back. I love the way you say my name, say my name. Remember for some Medicare, Medicare. We both know it's so